Hi everybody, I'm Annie.
And I'm Hope.
And today we're going to make a blueberry and strawberry smoothie.
Okay, so what we need is some frozen strawberries. We have those. Y'all can have like normal strawberries too. And we are actually going to defrost them. And we need a half a cup of it. And then we need 1 whole cup of frozen blueberries. Yeah. And then this is a choice. You don't have to put it in the smoothie, but you can if you want, but we are going to do it.
Because it's very healthy.
It is spinach, and you don't taste it in a smoothie. We just want it to make it healthy stuff. And then most adults might not let kids use this, but you can use any sugar type anywhere, And then you can use half a cup of applesauce. And then this is another choice. My friend's Annie's mom.
Got this
for us at the healthy store. And we just want to be really healthy, so we got this. And I think it's a 1/2 cup of it. So
actually it comes with a little cup inside.
Oh yeah, it comes with the cup inside of it.
Same as this Splenda.
Yeah.
Retry! Hopefully we do.
I'll do half of it and you'll do the other half. Okay. Now we'll both together for it. Now we are going to do the applesauce. I'll pour half of it and you'll pour the other.
Sometimes you can use strawberry applesauce to make it more strawberry. I use this kind because
You can have any type. Blueberry applesauce, strawberry applesauce.
there's no such thing as a blueberry applesauce.
There is. We'll have one. Is it yogurt? No. Yep. Now together we'll pour it.
You are.
Okay, see there's already coming. And got this. Oh, this is healthy. Okay, ready? Yes. Okay, so.
Ew! All the applesauce like on the side.
Oh, it's so good. Okay, so now we are going to do the last sugar. I see there's a black cup for the Mountain Dew.
We don't even know
It
how
looks
much
like
it
a
is.
poison cup if you take white candy.
Okay. Now we do it together. It looks like sauce.
I know.
And
And pour.
it's like snow.
This is
like on the spinach. It looks like a tree with snow on it.
So now we're gonna blend.
Okay, that's good enough. Okay, the cups.
No.
Take this off and eat it.
Now let me see the cup.
Now it's a blueberry and strawberry smoothie. Hang on, you gotta take this out first.
Now we have to try.
Remember to take this out because you don't want to have this in your cup.
Kind of. We're gonna like try to stir it a little to make it better. And I'll get half of it.
It looks like slop.
And your turn to get some. Looks so good.
Yeah, I know it is super good. This will be my cup.
Okay. Now,
Ready?
ready?
You're like fashion.